Welcome to today's episode of Wordpress website development series. My name is Michael Fabulous. You can call me Fab for short. Today, I am going to walk you through how to make your very first post on Wordpress. So let's go ahead. You must be logged in into your WordPress dashboard. And once you're logged in, the next thing to do is just to hover to this very left corner where you see dashboard, home updates, and you come down to this posts. Get your mouse to these posts and you have this window opened up here. You will see all posts, add posts, categories and tags. All posts is where you see the whole and the list of the posts that you've made in the previous times. But now what we need to do is just to add a post, that is to create a post. So I'm going to click on this add post. It will open on a different tab, or I'll right click and open it up on a different tab, or click on it, it opens up for you. So now this is what we have. Now we have this AI help element. What it does is just suggest some pages for you. So when you come here, you see about us page. Once you select about us page, now you can select any of these pre-made design. Okay, if you want to use them, you click on them, then you edit and make them yours. If you want to post a blog, you come here, select from this pre-made design. Okay, depending on what you want to do. If you want to create a content, so just go ahead and check these things out. But we're not going to do this today. We're going to create this from scratch so that you see how to do it. So I'm going to click on this X here to exit this very window. Now, to create a blog or to write your first post or to make a first post, the first thing that you have to do is to add a title. Okay, you see add a title here. So let's go ahead and say how to make a post on WordPress. Okay, now this is my title. I have it. Okay, what next do we have to do? The next thing is just to keep writing our blog. Write your blog, write your post, write your article. So to do this, we'll come down here. After we've added our title, here you see type slash to choose a blog. If you need to choose a blog, click here. You can choose a blog, but we'll come to that. So let's keep writing. Okay, you can either add paragraph already. Once you hit enter, once you come here, it gives you a paragraph already. Okay, so now let's keep writing. So I'm going to use a dummy text called Lorem Ipsum. So I'm going to use this text to do this. Remember, you have to have your article. You have to write your article, okay, or your blog or your post. Now I'm going to, once I click or hit enter, it takes me to another paragraph. Okay, now I'll add this. Okay, let's go back to seeing what we can do with this plus icon here. Hit enter here. Once you click here, hold on. Once you click here, it gives you a list of things that you can add, but I need to see more. Just click here, use where you see browser. So this is the list of things that you can do, elements that you can add, okay, to make your blog or your post or your article more beautiful. And this helps you to get the work done easily. So I need also to add an image to this blog post. You know, when you're making a blog, images help to actually tell a story, help to pass information of what your blog or your topic is all about. So let's add an image here. To add an image, you can click here, then select an image, or you click here, which is that same icon, and come to select all, view, browse all. Then once you come here, you can search for image. Okay, this is image. Still, let's go back here. Once you click here, you can actually search for image here, or simply click on this image to add image. Okay, I need to get an image to upload. So I have this image. Let's use this image. If you don't have an image that you need to use, you have to go to some website like FreePic, Unsplash, Pixabay, and Pixel to actually get images. Like Look at this free image. This is at a website, Pixel, Pixelpay, and look at Unsplash, look at Canva, iStock, okay, free pick, Shutter iStock, and all of that. So these are the places you can get free images for your projects. Okay, now remember we added this image and something is happening here. We can resize this image in how we like. Once you click on the image, look at this place. You drag it out or in, or here you drag it out. Once you drag it out, the image gets bigger, or you drag it in, it gets smaller. So let's use an image of this size. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'll click on this image and hit enter. So now let's do something else. Let's say you want to add a list to this very blog post. Okay, let's say a list of countries. A list of countries. So what we have to do, let's add a subtitle first. So we'll click here, we type heading does that, or let's do it this way. Click here, click on browse all. This is heading. Simply click on heading. So let's say a list of countries. Okay, of countries. Now you can see that this is big for a subtitle. So what we have to do is just click here again, come to this place, you see H2. To reformat this, if you put it to H1, it gets bigger. Put it to H2, gets smaller. Put it to H3, it gets even smaller. Put it to H4, it gets even more smaller. Put it to H5, smaller. Put it to H6, smaller. So we're going to use H6, and I need to make this text bigger or bold. Just highlight it, click on this B, make it bold. Now we can actually do something else. See this text, we can actually align it to center, or align it to right, or get it back to the left. But for me, I need to get it to the center. I love it to be, I love having it in the center. Now we have our subtitle, a list of countries. This is how to add subtitle. Use heading. Once you get a heading from here, drop it, just get a heading here, drop it, then change the size using this H symbol. Sort of, no, you use H1. Just know that from H1 is the biggest, and it goes down to H6. H6 is the smallest. So you look at it and see what you need for your subtitle. So now let's make a list. I'll click here. Remember, you click on this plus icon to search for what you need, or once you click on this plus icon, you come to browse or for it to get you this here. So I need to make a list of countries. Okay, this is the list of countries. I'll just click on it. Now I'll start to add my name of my countries. Nigeria is a country, I hit enter. Ghana is a country, I hit enter. South Africa is a country, I hit enter. Kenya is a country, hit enter. Rwanda is a country, I hit enter. Okay, Mali is the country, enter. We have Germany, we have China. All right, so you keep adding the names of countries that you know. Once you write anyone, you hit enter, it gets you the list.